A few days ago, we were invited to our friend's home for a homemade Momo feast. While my friend was busy preparing the momos, I quietly followed along with my phone, capturing each step of the process. It was such a lovely experience that I just had to share it with all of you. Hello and welcome once again to Simply Grace's Kitchen. Today I am sharing how my friend prepared these delicious homemade chicken momos. The measurements are approximate, but the method is simple and easy to follow. Into the minced chicken, add fried onions, pepper powder, chili powder, crushed cumin, and salt. Mix everything together really well until the spices are evenly combined. Once mixed, keep the filling aside while we prepare the wrappers. Before getting started, the Momo steamer trays were lightly greased with a little oil. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference by preventing the momos from sticking after steaming. The dough had already been kneaded and rested for about 30 minutes. My friend lightly dusted the work surface with a little flour, placed the dough on it, and gently pressed it with her hands. Then came something I found really interesting. She used her folded knuckles to gently work the dough. It helps make the dough softer and easier to roll. Next, she cut the dough into thick strips and passed each strip through the Momo sheet roller. It was so satisfying to watch those thick strips turn into beautifully thin sheets. If you don't have a Momo sheet roller, don't worry. You can simply roll the dough out thin with a regular rolling pin. Once the sheets were ready, she spread them out on the table and cut them into neat little squares, ready to be filled with the delicious chicken mixture. Next, place a spoonful of chicken filling in the center of each wrapper. Continue the same way until all the filling is used. Now fold and seal the edges neatly to form the momos.
So first you put these two corners together.
Okay.
Then these two corners together. Then these two corners together. Then these two corners together. That's it.
Okay. Then gently place each one on the greased steamer trays, leaving a little space so they can steam evenly without sticking together. The steamer was already heating with water below. Carefully place the trays into the steamer. Close the lid and steam for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the wrapper turns slightly glossy and chicken is fully cooked. While the momos are steaming, here's a quick look at a simple chutney. It's made with garlic, tomatoes, fresh coriander leaves and a little lemon juice, giving it a fresh and tangy flavor that pairs perfectly with the momos. We also prepared some oven roasted chicken. For the vegetables, simply stir fry onions, cabbage, carrots and capsicum over high heat so they stay slightly crisp and colorful. And by now, our momos are perfectly steamed and ready to be served. Everything is finally ready. Soft, juicy chicken momos served with a fresh, flavorful chutney, colorful stir-fried vegetables, and delicious roasted chicken. A big thank you to my lovely friend for sharing this wonderful homemade meal and allowing me to capture the process. I hope you enjoyed watching this unique recipe. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to Simply Grace's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. and food experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and happy cooking.